What's up, guys? It's Levi again. I'm going to be doing a review of a Browning knife I got. I'm probably going to drive over to the park for this, but I went to the Phil Simpson memorial shoot at the gun club yesterday, let's see, today's Monday, so on Saturday. Let me just start my engine here. And we'll get this frickin' show on the road. Hold on. Let's see where the hell shifted the gear here. 1 second. Gotta figure out some. Okay, so let's head over to the park here so I can do my review, because I told my mommy I'm going for a car ride, you know? And when you tell your parents you're going to do something, you really ought to do it, as to not seem like a liar or a dick or anything, you know? But oh well. But I was at my gun club that I shoot at, Valley of the Moon Trap Club. They have a bumpy right here. They have a fun shoot. It's a memorial. This was the 6th annual Phil Simpson memorial shoot, and you basically fired 25 rounds from 4 stations. And whoever got the highest score gets like a belt buckle, and they say, you know, oh my god, good job, have a cookie. Here. But I didn't win any belt buckles. Wait. What is this shit? There's like a frickin' semi parked in the middle of the road. I don't have time for this bullshit. Okay, whatever, he's moved. Okay. We'll get this show on the road. You know what I hate is when trees cover up stop signs. I've already mentioned that. Really pisses me off because everyone's giving you the middle finger. Just left to just wave and say hi, f you, you know. I hate you. I'll just park over here. So I know what you guys are thinking. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? No. Okay, this is good. I'm putting you guys right here, so I really couldn't tell where I was parking. So let's get this freaking review started. This isn't the driving network, okay? But yeah, after this I'm going to the skate park to visit a friend. And let me just get this knife out of my pocket. So there was a raffle and I won this knife, and hold on here. This drink koozie. It says Shotgun Sports Magazine, your best shot is our aim. So wasn't that friendly of them. And I got this Browning knife. This is a superb knife, model 589 Browning, with these really nice burlwood handles. It's a lockback. Get that file work. Get a so I can kind of show you how big this is right there. But it's a really sweet knife. It says NRA right on the blade, and then right up there it says Browning. It's nice file work. Look at that. That just looks downright classy. So, very nice knife. I'm not sure what the steel is, but I sharpened it. It's kind of like Victorinox Swiss Army knives as far as the steel quality goes. I mean, it's not like on my Spyderco Tenacious or my Spyderco Delica. I meant to say, not Tenacious, Delica. But we'll just take a look at this here. This excellent knife. Stainless steel. Okay guys, so my camera shut off. But as I was saying, we got stainless steel bolsters. And the lockup of this blade is, let's see, is superb. Yep. I'm just going to hold the camera. The lockup of this blade is superb. So, you know, nice, classy rosewood handles. You know, it's very, very tight, but I can still open it with one hand, manage to get it open. Plain blade. It's a lockback, of course. I forgot to mention that. But you could probably tell from this little relief that's cut and this slab of metal that's sticking up where you press this in, and then you can fold the knife like that. Anyway, first video in my new truck. I've been meaning to do this for a while now. So I'm going to head off to the skate park. Got my anti-hero skateboard. Go grind some rails, do some cool stuff like that. So, thank you for watching, and I'm going to do some more videos in here, and yeah, anyway, bye.